Infinityfabtech Private Limited, the pre-engineered building and structural steel fabrication company established in the year 2008 by the founder chairman Shri Ganesh Sankla and managing director Amit Sankla, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India, with a commitment and vision to merge globally as the most trusted and committed construction company. Over the last 11 years, we have been practicing highest quality and ethical business practices, safety standards, inherent passion and commitment to steel building construction. We have successfully completed more than 500 plus projects and 5.2 million square feet of floor area with the highest customer satisfaction across India. Among the 500 plus projects, some of our special and iconic projects like design a 62-meter clear span steel building with a floor area 52,000 square feet, design, fabrication and execution of steel structure with 15.5 meter clear height and 21 meter central height, design, fabrication and execution of multi-span pitch roof steel structure with 164 meter width, design, fabrication and execution of steel structure with 130 meter length have redefined as in terms of design and execution competency. Our fabrication facility and head office is located at Bajrangpalia near Indore, Ujjain Road, and our design office is located in Vijayanagar, Indore. Indore is the financial capital of Madhya Pradesh. Our fabrication facility consists of 60,000 square foot covered floor area with a team size of 60 plus employees and working around the clock. We strive to deliver you the best and impeccable steel building. Every morning, they start with a safety meet, fitness, exercise and short meditation to maintain physical health and mental satisfaction. Our team strives with highest passion and commitment towards design, manufacturing and delivering you the highest quality steel building. We start your building with design, procurement, main frame structure, fabrication, secondary cold form production, sheet metal profiling, accessory production, transportation and execution at site. We used the best globally proven and widely used design software with the highest design standard. Our every building design, manufacturing and erection etc. follows the Indian codes and various international standards. Post-design process, micro-level stage-wise planning, prioritizing fabrication, dedicated production and design team strive to deliver you the best and impeccable steel building. We used the best prime quality high tensile steel made by Tata, Jindal, SR and SAIL. The material grade is pre-specified and mentioned in every work order. The HR coil and plate are shear cut in high-capacity hydraulic shear cut machines with a high accuracy by retaining all the mechanical steel property, especially build ability. The connecting plates are cut in an advanced CNC plasma cutting machine and connecting plate holes made by semi-automatic core cutting drilling machine with highest accuracy and speed. The flange and web are joined by submerged arc welding to ensure 100% penetration and full proven weld. Pre-engineered steel buildings are tailor-made solutions to a customer's needs and are custom designed to meet exact requirements. Infinityfabtech used sophisticated nesting software, cut-to-length web and flange by using a decoiler software-based material planning help into achieve intermediate joint-free fabrication production, reduce production cost with highest accuracy and speed. The flange and web plate are welded to form of I section in our advanced automatic submerged arc continuous H-beam welding station. The built-up beam further joined with the connection plate, stiffeners, clip and other accessories as per the shop floor production drawing and are welded with MIG metal core weld electrode. The fabricated section undergoes a short blasting process as per SA 2.5 standards to remove mill scale, moisture, rust particle, oil and grease to prepare the surface for painting to achieve better bond between metal surfaces and paint coat. 1 coat of primer plus 2 coats of enamel or epoxy finish paint is applied by airless, strainless painting machine for appropriate DFT value. The cold roll Z purlin are profiled with high tensile galvanized steel in automatic roll forming machine with hole and slot, pre-punch and sharp cut with hydraulic shear cut machine to ensure accurate dimension and straightness. Pre-painted galvalume and bare galvalume sheet coil with a tensile strength of 500 MPa are profiled in a 25-stage complete automatic profile machine, ensuring 100% zero gap overlaps. The sheets are further crimped for curve eaves and canopy for better aesthetic. The quality is checked at every level to ensure perfect cut, perfect weld, perfect hole and perfect connection by qualified and experienced quality control engineers. Infinityfabtech ensures the best quality of material available in the world, and this makes the overall building more aesthetic, safe, stable and long-lasting. The finished material is then loaded and delivered safely to the respective site to ensure no damage to the material in transit and unloading. Our growth in the last 11 years of service have been recognized and awarded on several occasions. We are proud and happy for the same and are working to attain higher and higher positions and recognition in the global construction sectors. We are expanding the marketing and production facility across India and emerge as a global construction company. We are the company that is more referred, preferred and recommended by consultants, architects, builders and clients. We have an infinite, ensuring you the best quality steel building with the highest value for every penny investment. We are Infinity. We are for quality, commitment and trust.